Cardano's ADA is trading at 76 cents today, up just over 5%. So what's next for ADA? Let's break it down, starting with the short-term outlook and moving all the way to long-term scenarios. In the next few months, most models suggest a cautious but optimistic tone. Changelly forecasts a slight uptick to around 74 or 75 cents by mid-July, with nearly 70% of traders feeling bullish. CoinCodex is more optimistic, projecting ADA to reach $1 or even $1.12 by October, which could mean a 30 to 50% gain from today's price. Meanwhile, technical analysis from Cryptopolitan points out ADA has broken above its 200-day moving average, hinting at a possible move toward 80 cents or higher. Benzinga's models land the 2025 average price at just under 95 cents, with some scenarios stretching as high as $1.38. Put simply, most technical and algorithmic signals point to ADA rebounding into the 80 cent to $1.20 range by year's end. Looking at the midterm, end of 2025 through 2026, the outlook remains constructive, though growth may be steadier. Changelly expects ADA to average around 98 cents in 2026, with a trading range between 77 cents and $1.29. CoinCodex echoes this, expecting ADA to land between 78 cents and $1.16. Binance takes a conservative stance, predicting about 94 cents by 2030, suggesting only modest growth going into 2026. The midterm summary, ADA may consolidate in the $1 to $1.30 zone, potentially a 30 to 70% gain from where we are now. Now for the long term, 2027 and beyond, the projections widen considerably. CoinCodex anticipates steady growth with ADA averaging $1.12 in 2027 and climbing to $1.21 by 2029. Some optimistic models from Cryptopolitan, Coinpedia, and Token Metrics see ADA hitting $1.20 with potential for $1.80 during bull runs. The extreme cases? Some analysts target $2 to $3 by 2026 and as much as $5 to $10 or beyond by 2030, though these are high-risk, high-uncertainty scenarios. The most realistic expectation from conservative models is ADA trading in the $1 to $3 range through 2030, while bullish cases require significant ecosystem growth and favorable regulatory developments. What's driving this outlook? Key growth factors include Cardano's expanding DeFi and smart contract ecosystem, ongoing upgrades like the Plomin hard fork, and real-world partnerships. There's also growing optimism around potential ETF approvals and institutional adoption. On the technical side, ADA has shown momentum with breakouts above key averages and continued accumulation by large holders. But, as always, there are risks. Macro volatility, regulatory hurdles, and strong competition from blockchains like Ethereum and Solana could all impact Cardano's trajectory. The range of forecasts, especially those ultra-bullish calls, means any speculative upside should be viewed with caution. So, here's my final takeaway. For the near to mid-term, ADA appears poised for a move into the $1 to $1.30 range, a decent gain from today's level. Longer term, if Cardano's ecosystem matures and regulatory winds are favorable, $2 to $5 is possible, with higher projections coming with much more risk. If you're watching ADA, keep an eye on major ecosystem launches, regulatory or ETF news, and technical signals like moves above resistance or continued whale accumulation. As always, stay informed, manage your risk, and never invest more than you can afford to lose.